Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about C program for finding out area and perimeter of a circle. In the previous video we have to discuss about C program for converting Celsius temperature into Fahrenheit temperature and C program for Fahrenheit temperature to Celsius temperature conversion. If anybody wants, please refer that video in my YouTube channel. Now we can go for how to find out the area and the perimeter of a circle through C programming. Now we already know that area of a circle formula is pi r square. R into r. R square can be written as r into r. So what is pi value? So pi value is 22/7 into, suppose I am entering the radius value as 7. Radius value is 7. So 7 into 7. Okay. So 7 cancel. So 22 into 7, that is equal to 154. Okay. So this is the formula for area of a circle. Next, second one is perimeter of a circle. Perimeter of a circle. What is the formula for perimeter of a circle? 2 into pi into r. So here pi value is 22/7 and the radius value is 7. So 2 into 22/7 into 7. So 7 cancel, 22 into 2, so that is 44. Okay. So this is the area of a circle formula and this is the perimeter of a circle formula. So the radius value r is given by the user from the keyboard. So r is equal to 7 centimeters. So then area is 154 centimeters square and perimeter is 44 centimeter. Okay. So this is the formula for finding out area and perimeter of a circle. Now we can go to the program. Hash include stdio.h. So standard input output header file. Next, hash include conio.h, console input output header file. Next, void main. So every C program starts with the execution with the main function. So main function does not return any data type, so that we have to write void before the main function. So void is empty data type. Next, here what are the variables we have to declare? So radius r. Next, area. Area of a circle is area and the perimeter of a circle, perimeter. So int r comma area comma perimeter. Suppose if you want to require, these variables can be declared as floating point variable also. Okay. If you require, we have to declare these variables are floating point variables also. There is no problem at all. Next one, CLR SCR. So this is clear screen function. This function is available in the header file called hash include conio.h. This function is used for clear the output screen. Next, printf enter the radius value. So the radius value is read from the keyboard by using scanf function. So scanf %d double quotes and comma ampersand r. Once we are reading the radius value from the keyboard, now we have to find out the area and perimeter of a circle. So area is equal to, what is the formula? Pi r square, where pi value is 22/7. So 22/7 into r into r. Next, perimeter formula. Perimeter is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into pi value is 22/7 into r. So once we are calculating the area and perimeter of a circle, then we have to print that values. So printf area of a circle is %d slash n double quotes and comma area. Next, printf perimeter of a circle. Perimeter of a circle is %d slash n double quotes and comma perimeter. So after that, get ch and main function close. So this is the simple program for finding out the area and perimeter of a circle. Okay. So what is the output we are getting? Okay. So enter the radius value. This statement as it is printed in the output screen. Enter the radius value. So radius value I am entering is 7. So this value is read from the keyboard by using scanf function. So once we are reading the radius value from the keyboard, so area is calculated. So area of a circle is, so once we are entering the r value is 7, 22/7 into 7 into 7. 1 7 and this 7 is cancelled. 22 into 7, that is 154 centimeters square. This is printed. Next one, after that we have to calculate the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 2 into 22/7 into 7. 7 7 cancel, 2 into 22, that is 44 centimeter. So perimeter of a circle is 44 centimeter. Okay. So this is the simple program for finding out the area and perimeter of a circle. Now this is the implementation of area and perimeter of a circle. Here I am taking pi value can be taken as 3.143. Pi value is 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 can be written as 3.143. Okay. So here radius, area, perimeter can be declared as integer variable. Next, printf enter the radius value. The radius value is read from the keyboard by using scanf function. Next, area is equal to 3.143 into r, where 3.143 is nothing but 22 by 7. Next one, perimeter is equal to 2 into pi into r, where pi value is 3.143. Next, printf area of a circle is %d slash n double quotes n area, and printf perimeter of a circle is %d slash n double quotes n parameter. So this is the simple program. Now we have to compile the program. For that one we have to use Alt plus F9. We are getting 0 errors and 0 warnings. Then we have to run the program. For that one we have to use the command Control plus F9, Control F9. So enter the radius value. I am giving 7 from the keyboard. So then area of a circle is 154 and perimeter of a circle is 44. So this is the output of a given program, and this is the program. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share this video to your friends and classmates, and please subscribe my channel name Divvela Srinivasa Rao and click on the bell icon to get the future updates in my YouTube channel.